Hey everybody, I wanted to show you what I did recently that I'm actually not going to include in anything just yet, but take a look. So I've got the jumping working, except for there's a little glitch right there. See, he jumps to the bottom of the platform instead of the top, and he jumps to the top sometimes, but it's because when you hit the jump, it actually is still holding down the jump as it passes through the jump point, and it goes to the top. Anyways, I got to figure out that bug, and I know it's a bug, but I'm going to leave it in. And when you switch to another theme, I use the tessellation, and you're actually standing on a quad that is tessellated. That's a good idea. I might do that. Anyways, I can show you how I set this up. So in the init data function, okay, we actually call change theme 4 and change theme 3 because when I'm working, the new mode that I'm showing you is 4 when I hit the 4. Okay, so that's change theme 4 right there. And I'm going to show you what that does. Whoops, let's go to the actual function here. Scroll down to the bottom. Hold on, let's clear up some space here so we can see what we're doing. So theme number 4, okay, so change theme number 4. Okay, so it sets these in the, there's another shader program too. I got shader program 2. Okay, so what we're doing is we're using the shader program from, see, animated tessellation, and these are the variables right here. Okay, and then we're using the vertex shader, which sends GL position is always expecting a 4 vector of floats. Okay, so I send in the locations of all of the actual collision boxes of the platforms. Okay, and then it tessellates those based on the same, everything's the same as the original tessellation animated demo, if you remember. Okay, so it goes through that with a T factor, then it puts the triangles, equal spacing, counterclockwise or clockwise, whatever. And then the fragment shader with the color mix, the uniform, the time related uniform. Okay, so you see it's actually modulating based on the time. So the color of that is actually changing over time. See, right now it's heading towards green, and then it's going to head towards kind of like a blue, and then it's heading towards kind of really dark, invisible almost, then really light blue and blue. Okay, this is cool. And then so we've got a little platformer going, and I can jump anywhere on the screen. You'll see. So I've got to work on that, you know. And I know the jump is unique to every single platformer, and I don't have it down at the moment. So if you hit the S or the down key, it doesn't do anything. You just have to fall down to actually get down. And you'll notice it double jumps, like watch this. So a single jump will take you all the way as if you were jumping from the top of the platform. But if you jump from here, see, so this is actually a trigger of a multi-jump all the way to the top. Okay. Anyways, so we have to work on some things, but we're excited to present this to you. And I am making my first video while I am completely intoxicated with alcohol. So thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave comments in the section below the video. And the only other thing to show you from this, let me just think, is the theme number. See, there's 1 there. So each time through, theme number 4, right? So we set the uniform variables. We reset the time, okay? And then we set the platform collision boxes to the tessellation so it follows as you're moving, right? Let's set it on number 4. So as you're moving, it's actually moving, and it's resetting the tessellation factor, you know. And so why did I pin that? I don't know. But I'm gonna just close it all together. Okay. So anyways, and we're actually working on the Visual Studio 2019, the release candidate. So because I was able to update earlier, I had access to unlimited internet, and I was able to update to Visual Studio Community 2019, the release candidate, which officially gets updated in, let's see, 29, 30, 31, 1, 2. In 5 days, it gets updated to the actual Visual Studio 2019 release. So anyways, thank you much for watching. Please leave a lot of comments in the section below each video that you watch, and be sure to like and subscribe. And thank you again. When I get a chance, I will upload this. It is the 28th of March right now, 6:15 Pacific Standard Time. It will probably be a little bit later tonight when I will have a chance to upload the video.